Hi everyone, Von Marie here for Kat Scrappiness, and we have a fun card to make using the new I Love You to the Moon and back craft dies from Kat Scrappiness. We also have a scallop stitch tag and some Starlight Jewel remixed paper. So I went ahead and cut out my tag using that pretty purple paper, and I'm trying to see how I want my design, and I decided to ink blend some white cardstock with yellow ink, and I did use some gray ink up above there, and I'm going to cut out both my moons. I know in a normal setting you probably wouldn't have two moons like this, or maybe you would, I'm not sure, but I thought it would be fun to use both of them on my card, and so that's what I'm doing. And I love that this whole set has everything you need to make a card. So I love the moons and the stars, and I love the word and shadow die. So I'm using some purple faux glitter, and I love purple, so I love this paper pad, and I do hoard my paper, so I will be keeping all my purple scraps here, and I'm just getting all my pieces out so that I can glue them to the layer here, and I'm using liquid glue. I feel like with liquid glue, I have a better chance of moving my letters if I didn't place them the way that I feel they should be. So usually I do use a liquid glue, and so and I do use the Barely Arts glue too, and that is in the Kat Scrappiness store. I'm just trying to finish some of this art glitter glue so that I can start using my Barely Arts glue. I don't like to have a lot of different glues open, but sometimes that happens. And I'm just using my reverse tweezers here and trying to line up everything the best that I can. And I love this color combo that I chose. This card is mostly purple and yellow, so it's a fun, bright, and happy card. And I just love that saying, I love you to the moon and back. I think it's precious, so I was excited to use that on my card today for this video. And sometimes I use my bone folder there to hold my letters in place, so I think it works great as that as a multi-tool. And I recently got a caddy, silicone pink caddy from Kat Scrappiness, so I am putting all my tools in that caddy now to hold them nearby, and I have some glitter blending brushes in there as well, so I hope you all visit Kat Scrappiness and see the caddy and the tools. It's fun. Also all the embellishments, so many new embellishments as well, and you'll see the Easter release, which is very exciting. And here is the word put together, and then I'm trying to decide how I want my placement for the moons. And so it's really easy on this tag. Everything fits well. This is the largest tag from that die set, and I will have everything listed in the description. Also, there is a product supply bar that you could click, and it will take you to Kat Scrappiness. So here is some white glitter cardstock from my stash, and I thought I would cut out some stars using my small die cutting machine here. So I'm just taping them so I don't lose any of those stars, because it's easy to lose small die cuts like that. And I love that this die cuts 3 at a time, and I do run it 2 times, and I do add some stars to my word sentiment. And in a little bit, I will be cutting some more white glitter cardstock, and I'm going to layer my moon on some of that glitter cardstock. And you'll see in just a second. So, and I do use a rectangle die as well with some yellow, it's yellow glitter, faux glitter cardstock as well. I believe it might be from the Autumn. You've probably seen it really quick there, from the Autumn paper pack. And then I'm stamping some sentiments in purple, and these are the Simple Sentiments Valentine Edition. And I love the coordinating die because you can stamp so many sentiments and cut them out at one time. There is also another stamp set that has different sentiments that aren't Valentine, and that is on my wish list. So I added some twine to my tag. It is hemp twine, just some like natural color. And I'm gluing my tag to my card, and then I will be adding my sentiment, and then layering my moon on some glitter cardstock. And the sentiments I do use are from Christmas, so I like that you can use Christmas, or one time I used some Halloween sentiments or sprinkles because they were purple. So check out the sprinkles, because you never know, you might need a holiday one that will be great for your project. So off camera, I'm just cutting my circle so that I can layer both my moon and my sparkly white glitter paper together. I did think about cutting out the stars with white felt, so that is always fun too. I love to use my felt because I have it, and why not use it if you can use it? And so I love how easy this card came together. I had really a lot of fun making it, and I hope to use it again real soon. And so I will be gluing that, and then adding my sentiment and my starlight, North Star starlight sequins. And I love that I use my funnel tray there to hold my sentiment strips. So all the trays always come in handy. And there we go. So just gluing everything together. And I hope you will grab this die set. I would love to see your card. You can always add your cards or projects to the Facebook album, which is the Kat Scrappiness Insiders group. And you can easily add foam tape. I just chose to use liquid glue. And I think it looks so pretty. I love that glitter, faux glitter, and I love stars. And then I love that I added these sequins as well. So really sparkly in person. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you like it. I will hold it up close for you to see in just a second. And I did add some stars there, and that is it. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll show you that close-up look here, and have a wonderful day.